We at Tea Affair are introducing Tea Trends, the perfect tea travel mug. Remove the bottom part of the travel mug, separating the basket. Place 1 teaspoon of whole leaf teas into the basket and put it back into the travel mug. Replace the lid. Now press the button. Open the top lid and pour in your preheated water, filling it to the displayed mark line. Replace the lid and wait, allowing it to steep to your desired time. To ensure an even brew, tilt the travel mug back and forth a couple of times. And finally, press the button once more, closing the basket from your perfectly brewed tea. Slowly open the lid, releasing any air bubbles that may have formed. Your tea is now completely separated from your leaves. Enjoy!